Welcome to another video. Today we have a Toyota Sienna. It's got the V6 3.3 liter motor, and I mean, just listen to this thing. So good, so nice. Really quiet at idle, but she's a beast. That 3.3 is just a reliable, super reliable motor. Toyota makes an excellent V6, and she's clean all the way around. No big dents, some scratches here and there. Brand new Cooper tires on it. Headlights redone, no fog lights because it's just the LE. But she's got this black trim, little pockets here and there. And we bought this one. Ooh, radio. Woo, sounds good. We bought this one 100% online. It's got 179,000 miles. 2004 Toyota Sienna LE, 3.3 liter V6, front wheel drive. No accidents reported to Carfax, and one owner. Last owned in California. This one is all California, so 100% rust free. Its base value is $69.99. I'm not sure the price we're going to be selling this one. We just got it in stock, but you can already see she's in excellent condition. She's got the radio controls here, cruise control down here, which, wow, did you see that? It was kind of popped out. But we'll test that out and we'll see if it sets. And we got our shifter here, super clean also. Plenty of storage stuff, which is awesome and cool. We got this right here also for storage. Just a lot of cup holders, and it's got like a black kind of trim to it, which makes it look really nice and elegant. I know this has a mirror on it to check on the back kids. And she's got the captain's chairs, third row seat, rear AC. She does not have a TV, this is just another storage. But she is really nice and really clean, and I can't wait to go for a test drive on it. People thinking that these vans are kind of boring, and man, I gotta tell you, I love vans. These are to turn the lights on. Yep, so flip of a switch, turn the lights on. And yeah, actually, let's go for a drive. Let me turn the AC on. I know it works. Feels like 100 degrees today. I really like that. And this is to control the rear AC. So you switch it to rear and then they can control it, or you can just put it on low. Whatever you like for them, or you can switch it off. I'm gonna put it on low also because it is hot today. And how good does that cluster look? You can see we're full of gas. The temperature is just perfect. Park, reverse, neutral drive, and it's nice and silver, just really nice. Not too much, not too little. Right when I put it into reverse, all the doors lock. No reverse camera because it's an 04. I haven't driven this one yet, so we're gonna see how reliable she is. She's got an excellent Carfax. Woo, barely a fit through there. Like, comment, subscribe for more content, guys. Thank you so much. This is the worst of the worst. This is our bumpy road. And I am expecting to hear some noises, especially here on this road. Turlock's got to step it up. They were supposed to clean this road already, or redo the road, and they never started. Motor has a really nice pickup to it. Transmission shifts really nice and smooth. I don't even feel it. And the suspension is nice and quiet. This is a big SUV, so you would expect to hear some suspension noise. Oh, it's not me. Heard some brakes, and that was not me, but it brakes excellent too. This is how you buy vehicles online. And it's available for sale right now at Teal's Auto Sales. We've just done the motor oil, the transmission oil to it. It's got brand new tires on it. I believe we did the rear drum brakes on it as well. Check us out on Teal's Auto Sales, Turlock.com. Going 65, merging on the 99. She feels really good. Wow, I am very impressed. I thought this was going to be a little more janky, a little more beat up because of the miles, but it's not. I'm going 70 miles an hour. There's no shaking in the wheel. There's no issue with the alignment. Man, this thing is awesome. Let me see if I can hit 80. I'm going 85 now. Let me see if I can. 85 and the alignment's perfect. 85, guys. Woo! Test out my brakes. I'm going 75. All the way down to 60. No shakiness in the wheel. It stopped right away, so good brake performance. Woo! Didn't know a minivan could do that. Never driven a brand new Toyota Sienna or a brand new car ever, but this thing, I feel very reliable in it. I feel bulletproof in it. You can see the temperature's good, the fuel is still good, and we're just cruising. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how much miles your Toyota Sienna has, because I've sold these Toyota Siennas with 200,000 miles. I've had them before in the past. Of course, maybe they weren't the one owners or something like that, but still good history. We try to buy some of the best history, some of the best this, best that. Enjoy them because I had a minivan. I used to drive a Honda Odyssey, and I live here in California. I remember that thing seated like 7 people, and we would all just hop in. I was young, 18. We would all hop in and go to San Francisco or something, you know, go to Sacramento, go to the Bay. And that's how we rolled. It was a little Honda 4-cylinder, like a 98 or 99. So it didn't have the sliding doors. And it was just so much fun. And I really miss that van. So I love vans. I would love to own a van and just, you know, family trips, things like that. Anyway, guys, this thing runs excellent. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a good day. Pa, pa, pa.